Hi, I'm Dr. Bindu Menon. I'm a neurologist from Apollo Speciality Hospitals, Nellore. Today we are going to learn about how one should respond if a patient has a stroke or a seizure at home. So let us take the seizure first. If the patient has a fit or a seizure, so let us assume a person falls down here, do not try to restrain the patient. Do not crowd around the patient. Patient needs fresh air to breathe. Remove the spectacles. If he has high collars or ties, kindly do remove them. Cushion something below his head because he will be convulsing and he will be hitting the head on the ground. Keep something soft below the hands as well. As I said, do not restrain the patient. Do not put keys or anything in the hand. Do not put any cloth in the mouth or a spoon in the mouth, thinking that the patient may swallow off his tongue or the tongue will fall back. Till the patient is completely conscious. After he finishes off his seizures is over, then push the patient onto one side, turn him onto one side, preferably on the left, and until the patient is completely conscious, do not give him anything by mouth, especially water, because the patient, if he is not regained consciousness completely, the water may go into his lungs and that may produce a pneumonia. Try to time the seizure if it is possible. If the patient has got these habitual seizures, that is, the patient is a known case of epilepsy, your doctor might have advised you that if it is possible, if there are several people around, to take a video of the event so that it is easy for the doctor when you take him to the emergency services or to the outpatient, so that it is easy for the doctor to diagnose the same. Second is stroke. Stroke is a medical emergency. Every second counts and they are critical moments. If the patient's stroke is identified in time and response to the stroke is proper and the patient is taken to the emergency, then brain can be saved. If the patient has stroke, which are the symptoms of stroke are the facial deviation to one side of the hand and body or face getting numb, or one side of the body getting weak, difficulty in talking, speech completely becoming mute, or the patient having a jargon speech, unsteady gait, unable to walk properly with severe giddiness, double vision, or unable to see, blurring of vision, or unable to see half side of the environment. Sudden severe headache, first time in the lifetime having such sort of headaches, difficulty in swallowing. If any of these symptoms are there, even if the symptoms subside after a few minutes, do not take these symptoms lightly. It could be stroke. Do not let the patient motivate you and say that I'll try to lie down, I'm tired and I'll go to the emergency or to the doctor later. Try to time the event, because time is brain. As I said, there is a golden window period, 4.5 hours, where the patient can receive, some patients can receive thrombolytic therapy and the brain can be saved to a large extent. Call the emergency services, call the ambulance services if you do not have a vehicle of your own, and take the patient to the stroke services where stroke treatment is being given. Respond to the symptoms of the brain, react to them properly, and time saved is brain saved. Thank you very much.